Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here with a get ready with me because it's been a minute since I filmed a video on this channel, and I just came to say, hey, what's up? It's summertime. What y'all been up to? Any plans that y'all have? Like, what we up to? If you see any kind of like white residue in my hair, it's like my hair gel drying, so excuse that. And yeah, I'm getting on to the video because I have somewhere to be in 35 minutes, so I'm gonna try to hurry up, have this done, because I'm only just doing, you know, my usual routine makeup, nothing like really fancy or whatever, just the usual. I'm just gonna prime my face really quickly. It's been a minute since I filmed a video, and I forgot what it felt like to film makeup. So I'm a little rusty. I keep my makeup a little bit simple, but I will be having some like more eyeshadowy videos coming up in the next week or whatever. But today I'm just gonna do what I normally do. This is more like a routine than, you know, me actually putting together a look. But thank you to those who have been subscribing. I've noticed that, you know, people are subscribing, even though I haven't uploaded in over a month. It's not like I haven't tried. Of course I've been trying to find videos to film, I just didn't know what, and now I'm just like, just film what you love to do. You don't have to like find something to film. I'm gonna do a skincare video because my skin has came a long way, and I just want to share the differences of how my skin used to be to how my skin is improving, you know, over the time, and then, you know, tell you how I got there. I feel like it's a long way now than it's ever been. I used to like break out over every single thing. Like I would break out from dairy, I would break out from stress, I would break out from, like, I don't even know, I just was always having like some kind of acne on my face, no matter what. Like I couldn't get rid of it. Now it's just, I don't have no acne at all, not one single pimple on my face. Here and there I might get like, you know, like the heat bumps that you get around your face whenever it's like hot, but that usually go away whenever I get cooled down or whatever. But I don't have not one single acne. What you just basically see now is just me with acne scars that I'm trying to clear up, and I'm just like, yes, I'm one of those people that I don't care if it takes time for improvement. I just want to know for a fact that there's going to be improvement. I'm not looking for products that are like going to have my skin popping within the next 2 days. That's a myth. I don't know any product that does that so quickly. Like, I feel like skin heals with time, improvement comes with time. So finding products to have your skin clear in like a day, and then you're disappointed because you're like, it doesn't work. You didn't give it enough time to work with your skin. Your skin got to get used to it first, and then like you'll see a difference. So there was a lot of things that I had to cut out in my diet, and that really helped. I think 80% of why my skin started to clear up. Like I completely stopped eating a bunch of like red meats and dairy and things that my body just didn't like. I just felt sick all the time. Every time I ate like spaghetti, stuff with like that ground beef and that like gluten paste that's inside of the spaghetti. I could find like other alternatives if I still wanted to eat spaghetti, but you know, I never found it something that, you know, I needed to have in my life. Yeah, I miss eating spaghetti, but I'm not always missing it. But anyways, yeah, cutting out red meat and cutting out dairy, because my stomach used to be the worst. It wasn't even just about my skin at the moment. It was about my stomach. My stomach would hurt so much to the point where I just had to call out to work. Like I couldn't make it because my stomach was hurting so bad. Like I always had to use the bathroom, and yeah, I was just over it. So I just started cutting down some things that, you know, I felt like was hurting my stomach that day. Like I really started monitoring everything I ate, and cutting things out as I go. It's been a year. It's been a year of living in a whole new dietary lifestyle. I don't miss it. I don't feel like I'm, you know, left out of anything. I don't have FOMO because I'm not eating the things that I used to like all the time. So now I'm just working on I'm working on getting rid of like all of the acne scars, which are fading so well, and I'm proud of my skin and the dedication and the time and the efforts that I put into it. Like, I treat my body like my baby. So I didn't wasted 10 minutes already, and look, I only got brows done. So let me go ahead, put on some L'Oreal True Match foundation. Use a brush that I can find. I don't use a whole bunch of foundation because it's summertime, and I hate when my skin gets oily, and I don't like when, you know, my pores are looking really cakey. So I'm just gonna use a little light, thin layer of it. I feel like the reason why I haven't really been filming a whole bunch is because, you know, when you go to work and you've been working all day and I'm tired and I get off of work, you know the deal. Last thing I be thinking about after I get off of work, after I've ran my errands, after I've done, you know, the necessary things that I need to do in life, I'm like, do I really want to film, or can I just go lay down and get ready for bed to get up and do this all over again? I mean, weekends, yes, I can film. I usually utilize the weekend to do the things that I don't also have time to. So I do have some stuff that I want to film more now, which is like my hair. Like I constantly was cutting my hair, and now I'm like growing it back. So like I'm back on a different hair journey, and I don't think I'm ever going back to perms ever. Debating, do I even want to wear like, you know, braid? Because I always braid my hair up. You know, box braids, cornrows or whatever. Whenever I want to have like a protective style. But now I'm like, do I even want that? Because even when I used to braid my hair up in box braids and stuff, after like a day or two, maybe 3 days, my hair with my scalp would start itching really bad. Like it would be itching like as if I'd never greased my hair, and I would grease my hair so much, make sure my hair is saturated in moisturizer and the proper moisture that I need. But you know, my scalp would be dry, but the roots of my hair would be like sopping wet with hair grease or oil or whatever. And I'm like, what is the issue? Why is my scalp constantly irritable? And after like a week of having like box braids, and my scalp would be so sore to the point where it just feels like I still had my hair freshly done. It would be so sore to even touch. And I'm like, what is the deal with this hair that I've been using? Like, and just be regular like synthetic braiding hair. And I think that was my issue. I was using the hair that I don't know if it's the dye, I don't know if whatever chemical that they put in the hair just was not working for my scalp. It was causing inflammation and causing it to be like so sore, so dry, so just not right. So I figured if I cut out braiding hair, I'm good. I don't have to worry anymore about that issue. But then I'm in the reality part that what am I going to do for my hair if I can't braid it up? Like sometimes you have those days where you want to braid your hair up and not deal with your real hair. You know, give yourself a break, especially with box braids. Like you got like a couple weeks of break to deal with your hair. You can go on vacation. You can go on vacation, not have to worry about what you're gonna do to your hair, how you're gonna style your hair. Especially with natural hair, y'all know if you got natural hair, you know how much work you gotta put into making sure that your hair, you don't wake up with, you know, good hair. You don't wake up with your hair done when you're natural. Like you gotta put in some work. I'm gonna go back to the barber, and I'm gonna have him taper my hair down so that I can look a little bit more clean, because it's been a minute since I got a shape up. I don't know if you care what I'm using today, but the concealer that I use is Urban Decay Naked Skin. The powder was MAC Studio Fix. I always use that because it just sits right on the makeup perfectly. I don't know, I'm just trying to add a little bit of color so I don't look flat. I'm just using Wet n Wild. Like I'm not really really like put too much effort into finding like the perfect product. Like, as long as it works, it doesn't break me out, we good. The thing I spend my coins on when it comes to makeup is probably like my face powders, probably primers, and maybe lipsticks, because sometimes, you know, the better quality. Well, then again, I don't know, most of my lipsticks are drugstore. I'm starting to get more high-end lipsticks as well. Let me show you what I'm gonna do to my eyes. And it's only gonna take like 2 steps. I grab my Morphe palette. I probably will take this color here and then mix it with this color here. Put that in a crease and all over my lid. If you can hear noise, it's because my window is open and we're right in front of it. And then I'll just take some mascara. So that pretty much sums up my face. I'm a little weirdo, I must admit. I brush my teeth sometimes after I finish my foundation. I don't know how backwards that can be, but yeah, I want to go brush my teeth and then I'm going to go ahead and put on some lip gloss. Alright, teeth is clean and I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I just used some lip liner. And this one is Rimmel London's Coffee Bean. I'm out of breath. I went downstairs to brush my teeth because somebody's cleaning the bathroom right now and I didn't want to be in the way. And then I used lip gloss. This is Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Charmer number 62. I got this from Influencer. They always sending me products to try out and review, and they're supposed to be sending me something from Kiehl's. It's like skincare, and I need a new moisturizer, so it's like perfect. Really don't like gloss a whole bunch, and the only reason why I'm using this is because once it starts to, I guess, dry up, it looks completely matte. Right, that's pretty much it. That sums up my usual everyday look. And when I'm just trying to get out, I'm gonna go put some earrings on and then head out the door. Hopefully you like this video, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to those who have subscribed. Stay tuned to my next video.